it and rub it all over my body. Cocoa, Cocoa. I like to drink cocoa, and I like to eat it and rub it all over my body, 'cause cocoa is an excellent source of calcium.
I don't think it's calcium. Good for you, though. Probably not all over your body. Chocolate, Haley.
Cocoa, Cocoa. And then go like this. And I like to spread it all over my body. Spread it all over my body. Eat it.
Haley, that is wrong.
Hey, no.
That's how you gonna dance?
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
I like
Cocoa.
to eat cocoa.
Cocoa.
I like to eat
Yeah.
cocoa.
Cocoa.
I like to eat cocoa. Go, cocoa.
Cocoa.
Lick the cocoa. I'm really.
He's doing the. I can't even do it.